Good morning, everyone. This is the Labor family doing Operation R&R, and I just wanted to give a quick tour of where we're living at. It's so cool. We've actually been here for about a couple days now, and we are having an awesome time. Let me show you this view out here. Awesome view. Awesome view out here. Yeah, it is very early, and this is the golf area. I mean, nice. It is so nice out here. I mean, it is so nice. You can actually see like the horses. I'll show that a little later. But here's just a little bit of what we've been doing. Dang, I don't know what that was. Okay, so here's the living room. And the couch and the dining room. They decorated the area with little monkeys, and I thought that was cute. Little monkeys. And here's where you can actually say like how thankful you are for staying here, and different families stayed here throughout the years, and I thought that was pretty nice. Here's the kitchen over here. On our way to the kitchen. So like I said, we actually been here for a couple days now, and they supply you with all kind of stuff, some washcloths, some stuff to clean with, some dishwashing detergent, some laundry detergent. They thought of everything. Hand towels and some rags to clean the dishwashing machine, and some garbage bags. So you can make some coffee, and here is just what some of the stuff look like. Some plates and bowls and cups. I'm actually about to make some coffee. My husband loves coffee, so I'm about to make him some coffee. And they have a little tea kettle. I'm about to make me some tea. Microwave. Here's another cabinet. Just plastic spoons we can cook, and a toaster, a blender. Here's some more stuff. Some containers, some bakingware. You can bake and cook as a family. I mean, they thought of everything. They thought of everything. And here is the laundry room. See if I can find a light. Here's the laundry room. Washing machine, dryer. You have an iron. There was an actual laundry basket there too, and my kids are using it. Cleaning bucket, paint, iron board, some light bulbs. I mean, they thought of everything. Washroom, and here's the fridge. Here's the fridge. My kids got some Capri Sun. They actually provide that. Some water. We went and got some water for them. You can make some ice cubes. Here's the freezer. Here's the freezer part. I mean, the oven. I mean, that's pretty much self-explanatory. I mean, they just got, just loaded with stuff. Loaded. Pots and pans. I was actually wondering where the pots and pans were. I mean, this is the oven. I mean, just baking pans. I mean, it's just, oven mitts and grater. Some more stuff. They thought of everything. A cutting board. We're probably gonna steam up some. Here's a dishwashing machine. Phone. We have our cell phones, so that's what we're gonna be using.